Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lahari and in this video you will learn how to make hibiscus oil. So first things first, why am I talking about hibiscus oil instead of hibiscus gel? I have seen a lot of people come to me and talk about their hair care routine, and most of them talk about using flaxseed gel, aloe vera gel regularly in their hair care routine. That is also because these ingredients are readily available to them. But what about hibiscus flowers? No. And if you are somebody like me who lives in the city, I'm not saying it's impossible for us to get our hands on some fresh hibiscus flowers, but it's just difficult and it is not consistent. Since it's not consistent, it does not make sense to include that in our hair care routine. So what's the solution? Whenever you do get your hands on some fresh hibiscus flowers, it's just easier to make oil, store it for a long time, use it regularly in your hair care routine than make hibiscus gel that lasts maybe 2-3 days and it kind of spoils easily. So it's just easier for us to reap the benefits of hibiscus in the form of an oil instead of gel. Well, if you do have access to hibiscus flowers on a regular basis, then you can use hibiscus gel and hibiscus oil. But if it is just not readily available, making hibiscus oil is better than just using hibiscus gel. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by gathering fresh hibiscus petals and rinsing them thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Once cleaned, spread them out evenly on a clean cotton towel and allow them to air dry overnight to reduce moisture content. Next, light the stove and place a pot on it. Pour 500 milliliters of coconut oil and keep the flame on low throughout. I'm sure that you can tell what brand oil I'm using for my hair, but if you prefer, feel free to use any good quality cooking coconut oil. After that, take about 100 milliliters of castor oil and pour it into the pot along with coconut oil. Give the mixture a good stir to ensure both oils are well combined. Next, add the dried hibiscus petals to the oil. Let them sit and infuse gently in the warm oil for about 30 seconds to a minute on low flame. After that, turn off the heat and allow the entire mixture to cool down naturally. Once the oil has completely cooled, transfer the mixture into a clean, dry container. Let it sit and infuse further for about 2 days. After 2 days, Strain the hibiscus petals from the oil using a fine sieve or a muslin cloth. Then, take the strained petals and grind them into a smooth, fine paste. Next, add the hibiscus paste back into the oil and heat the mixture on medium flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it begins to bubble gently, turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely. Finally, use a muslin cloth along with a sieve to filter the oil. Since the mixture contains fine hibiscus particles, double filtration is key. Pour the oil through the setup and gently squeeze out every last drop. Discard the leftover petal paste and that's it. Your homemade hibiscus oil is ready to use. And that's all, your hibiscus oil is ready. So yeah, it's just 3 ingredients, that is castor oil, coconut oil and hibiscus petals, hibiscus flower. If you want to, you can add hibiscus leaves, you can add neem leaves, or you can add fenugreek, you can add rosemary, that is very beneficial. Try different recipes, but this is like the base oil and it's very good for your hair. This particular combination that I showed you, it is not that sticky and it does give you smoother, silkier hair. So as you all know, hibiscus is it has natural astringent properties and it is very good for fighting dandruff too, because it is indeed antibacterial and antifungal. So try this recipe out and let me know how it goes. Until the next video, bye bye.